In this video, you will learn how to buy a domain with Godaddy. First, visit the Godaddy website. Open your browser and go to godaddy.com. Then, search for your domain. On the homepage, you will find a search bar. Type the domain that you want to buy, e.g. yourdomainname.com. Then press enter or click the search icon. After that, choose your domain. Godaddy will show you whether your domain is available or not. You will see it and add to cart. Add domain to your cart. Once you find the domain you want, click on add to cart button. Here, sign in or create an account. If you're not signed in, you'll be prompted to log in or create a Godaddy account. After that, review your cart. After signing in, review the details of your domain and any additional services you may have selected. This is hosting, emails or privacy protection. You can remove or modify these selections if you want to. Proceed to checkout. Click the Proceed to Checkout button. Enter payment information. Either enter your credit card, debit card or PayPal information. Complete purchase. Once you've reviewed everything, click Complete Purchase to finalise the transaction. Confirmation. After the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email from Godaddy saying that you have registered in your name the new website. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.